If your Facebook ads look like a mess, you're missing out big time. Let's change that. Imagine ruling Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram like a pro. Our digital marketing training sessions are here to make that dream a reality. Kicking off on August 5th, you'll dive into the art of Facebook ads, learn killer monetization skills, and so much more. Every night at 9 p.m., join us via WhatsApp for 40 minutes of pure, actionable knowledge. It's just 15 days to becoming a social media maestro. Whether you're a student juggling classes or someone looking to boost their digital presence, this is your chance. No previous experience? No problem. We've got you covered with easy-to-follow lessons and expert tips. So why wait? Mark your calendars for August 5th and get ready to unlock Facebook Ads Mastery. Call 030-168-12717 to secure your spot now. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity to elevate your social media game. Join us and let's make your social media dreams come true.